What up, you too? What's going on, guys? How you doing? It's vocal coach Tyshan Knight here, and today we got a treat for you guys. We're doing Ariana Grande's Only One Riff. All right, let's get right into it. Be only one, be only one. And she's doing that just the octave up, so be only one, 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 be only one. Now you just do this on the octave up, all right? I hope this helped you guys out. Make sure you check out my new vocal programs. They're on sale right now for $50. Go get it. The price is going up after this week, so make sure you go get it, all right? You guys, talk to you soon. Love y'all. Peace.